In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effortlessly integrate ConvertKit with Framer, an exciting tool for developing interactive and high-performance applications. This seamless integration will help you streamline your email marketing process and create efficient user signups through Framer's incredible user interface, all by incorporating ConvertKit's robust technology. Let's dive right into the process. The first thing you need to do is initiate the integration of ConvertKit with Framer. To do this, you want to find the option that says Insert. Depending on the interface you have, the Insert option could be a tab at the top of your screen or a drop-down menu. However, it would typically be visibly labeled as Insert for ease of identification. Once you've located the Insert option, the next step is to select it by clicking on it. Upon clicking, a variety of options will be displayed for you to choose from. These options represent different elements or components that you can insert into Framer. However, for the purpose of integrating ConvertKit, you want to seek out Forms. After selecting the Insert option, navigate down to where Forms are located. Options are normally grouped towards the bottom of the drop-down menu that appears when you click Insert. It's essential to note that the exact position of the Forms option might vary based on the interface. Upon locating the Forms option, the next thing to do is select it. By doing so, an array of forms will be displayed, each serving a different purpose. Amidst the sea of available forms, you want to find Kit. Kit is the short form of ConvertKit and is the component that we want to use for this integration. Having found the Kit option, the next step is to integrate it into Framer. This process is astonishingly easy. All you have to do is click on Kit, hold and drag it to the desired location in Framer, before finally releasing it to drop in place. The drag and drop method is a user-friendly feature common in many design tools, which makes moving components around a breeze. And voila! With that, you have successfully integrated ConvertKit with Framer by simply clicking on Insert, going to Forms, selecting Kit, and then dragging and dropping it into Framer. You've completed the process in a short time. That's all you need to do. It's just that simple. Now you can enjoy a seamless workflow with your email marketing process, significantly enhanced by leveraging the powerful features of both Framer and ConvertKit. This integration will no doubt lead to more efficient user signups and ultimately contribute to your ambitious growth strategies. So go ahead and explore the many potentials this integration presents in optimizing your Framer applications and boosting your email marketing campaigns. Happy designing and strategizing!